Life is full of challenges and obstacles. Chronic pain can weigh us down heavily. Distractions can make it hard to focus. Mindfulness offers a path to peace and clarity. It helps us manage pain, improve focus, and live more fully. Mindfulness is about being present. It's about noticing our thoughts and feelings without judgment. This awareness empowers us to make choices that support our well-being. By cultivating mindfulness, we tap into our inner strength. We learn to navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease and resilience. Mindfulness is a journey, not a destination. Every step we take towards greater awareness brings us closer to a more peaceful and fulfilling life. A mindfulness kit is a collection of tools for your well-being journey. It's a personalized box of calm and focus, ready whenever you need it. What's inside? Items that engage your senses and soothe your mind. Think aromatherapy oils like lavender or chamomile to promote relaxation. A stress ball can provide grounding during moments of pain or anxiety. Breathing exercise cards guide you to breathe deeply and consciously. A small journal becomes a safe space for reflections and processing emotions. A curated playlist of calming music or nature sounds offers a sonic escape. Inspirational quotes and affirmations provide encouragement and motivation. Small crystals can serve as tactile reminders of your intentions. Chronic pain is a complex issue that affects millions of people worldwide. It can stem from various conditions such as arthritis, fibromyalgia, or even past injuries. The persistent nature of chronic pain can make it difficult to manage and can significantly impact one's quality of life. It affects not just our physical bodies, causing discomfort and limiting mobility, but also our minds and emotions. The constant presence of pain can lead to feelings of frustration, anxiety, and even depression. It can create a cycle where pain leads to stress, and stress in turn exacerbates the pain. Mindfulness offers a powerful way to manage and alleviate pain. By focusing on the present moment and accepting it without judgment, mindfulness helps break the cycle of pain and stress. Research shows that mindfulness practices can reduce pain intensity and improve coping mechanisms. How does it work? Mindfulness encourages us to pay attention to our thoughts and sensations in a non-reactive way. Mindfulness helps regulate the nervous system. When we practice mindfulness, we activate the body's relaxation response, which counteracts the stress response that often accompanies chronic pain. It reduces stress and tension, which can exacerbate pain. By calming the mind and body, mindfulness creates a sense of ease and relaxation that can make pain more manageable. Studies show that mindfulness practices like meditation can decrease the perception of pain. This doesn't mean the pain disappears, but our experience of it changes. We become more resilient and better equipped to handle it. Mindfulness also changes our relationship with pain. Instead of seeing pain as an enemy to be fought, we learn to coexist with it. This shift in perspective can reduce the emotional suffering associated with chronic pain. Instead of getting caught up in negative thoughts and emotions, we learn to observe them without judgment. This practice of non-judgmental awareness helps us to detach from the pain and the stress it causes. This acceptance can be incredibly freeing. It allows us to live more fully, even with the presence of pain. We can find joy and gratitude in small moments, which can improve our overall well-being. By cultivating present moment awareness, we shift our focus away from pain. We learn to appreciate the beauty and peace in our surroundings, which can provide a welcome distraction from discomfort. We connect with the here and now, finding moments of peace and relief even amidst discomfort. Through mindfulness, we can transform our experience of chronic pain and improve our quality of life. Section 4, Sharpening the Mind. Mindfulness for enhanced focus. In our fast-paced world, distractions are everywhere. From the constant buzz of notifications on our phones to the endless stream of information online, our attention is constantly being pulled in multiple directions. These distractions can leave us feeling overwhelmed and scattered, making it incredibly challenging to focus on the tasks at hand. It's as if our minds are in a perpetual state of chaos, unable to settle on one thing. Mindfulness, however, offers a powerful antidote to this modern dilemma. By practicing mindfulness, we can strengthen our ability to concentrate and stay present in the moment. This ancient practice helps us to cultivate a sense of calm and clarity amidst the noise. Mindfulness techniques train the mind to resist distractions. Through regular practice, we learn to observe our thoughts without getting caught up in them, allowing us to maintain our focus on what truly matters. Like a muscle that grows stronger with exercise, our attention span expands with regular mindfulness practice. The more we engage in mindfulness exercises, the better we become at sustaining our focus and attention. One powerful technique is the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding method. This simple yet effective exercise helps to bring us back to the present moment, anchoring our awareness in the here and now. This simple exercise brings us back to the present moment. Here's how it works. First, notice 5 things you can see around you. It could be the leaves on a tree, the clouds in the sky, or even the texture of the ground beneath your feet. 1. Notice 5 things you can see around you. Take a moment to really observe these objects, noticing their colors, shapes, and details. 2. Touch. Feel 4 things you can touch. This could be the sensation of the grass under your fingers, the rough texture of a tree bark, or the smooth surface of a stone. 3. Hear. Listen for 3 things you can hear. It might be the chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, or the distant sound of flowing water. 4. Smell. Identify 2 things you can smell. Perhaps it's the fresh scent of pine trees, the fragrance of blooming flowers, or the earthy aroma of the soil. 5. Taste. Become aware of 1 thing you can taste. It could be the lingering taste of a recent meal, the freshness of the air, or even the subtle taste of your own breath. This exercise anchors us to the present, disrupting the cycle of distraction. By engaging our senses, we ground ourselves in the here and now, breaking free from the constant pull of our thoughts. By practicing mindfulness, we develop a calmer, clearer, and more focused mind. This enhanced focus not only improves our productivity, but also enriches our overall well-being, allowing us to navigate the complexities of life with greater ease and grace. Section 5. Bringing mindfulness home using your kit every day. Your mindfulness kit is a constant companion on your well-being journey. Integrate it into your daily routine to experience its full benefits. Start your day with intention. Before the day's demands take over, spend a few moments with your kit. Inhale the calming aroma of lavender oil. Practice deep breathing exercises. During moments of pain or stress, reach for your grounding tools. Squeeze a stress ball. Listen to your curated playlists. Read inspiring quotes. End your day with reflection. Take a few minutes to journal. Write down your thoughts and feelings. Acknowledge your accomplishments and challenges. This practice promotes self-awareness and emotional processing. Section 6. creating your personal oasis, customizing your kit. Your mindfulness kit is a reflection of you. Personalize it with items that resonate with your senses and support your well-being. Choose colors, textures, and scents that bring you joy and tranquility. Experiment with different mindfulness techniques. Explore guided meditations, mindful movement practices, or nature walks. Discover what helps you feel grounded and at peace. Add items that inspire and motivate you. Include photos of loved ones, meaningful quotes, or objects that hold special significance. Your kit is a work in progress. As you evolve on your mindfulness journey, so too will your kit. Continuously refine and personalize my Section 7, Small Steps, Big Rewards, the Power of Consistency. Mindfulness is not about perfection. It's about embracing the journey and understanding that every moment is an opportunity to practice. It's about showing up for yourself, even in small ways, every single day. These small acts of self-care and mindfulness accumulate over time, creating a foundation of inner peace and resilience. Start with just a few minutes of mindfulness practice each day. It could be as simple as focusing on your breath, observing your thoughts without judgment, or taking a mindful walk in nature. Gradually increase the duration as you feel more comfortable. Be patient with yourself. Remember, it's not about how long you practice, but the quality of your presence during those moments. There will be days when your mind races and distractions seem overwhelming. That's okay. These moments are part of the practice too. They teach us to be gentle with ourselves and to return to the present with kindness. Simply acknowledge these moments and gently guide your attention back to the present. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small it may seem. Each step forward is a victory. Each time you choose mindfulness, you're taking a step towards greater peace and well-being. Over time, these small, consistent efforts can lead to significant changes in your mental and emotional health. Remember, even small, consistent steps can lead to profound transformations. The key is to stay committed and trust the process. Embrace the journey and trust in the power of mindfulness to guide you towards a more fulfilling life. With each mindful breath, each moment of presence, you are cultivating a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you.